Mutongeria wa ngwataniro ya AZIMIO la umoja Raila ODINGA muthenya jwanarwa ni akinyite IKARONE bia mbunge haria mukiri ni mutongeria wa baria baka imbungene Stewart Manzo amwe na ASENETA bangi baria baringithanagwa na MURENGO juju. Raila akinyite Senate kenda kugeria gukinyira muthia THIINA iria ithirite IGIKUJIRWA ku AZIMIO bakienda Fatuma Thulo kumarukua kiri utongeria bwa baria kai. Raila na ugite Speaker Mason King ni apatere gutia ugambi bwa memba bangwataniro ede na gwetikiria ugaruruku bwa utongeria.
Biumia bidhatu nyume ya ngwataniro ya AZIMIO la umoja One Kenya Alliance kuthithio garuruku kiro utongeria bwa ngwataniro eno bungeni ya Senate mpaka omde walaniria bobo potithometwe ni Speaker Kingi untu bobo muthenywa omde bukinyage mutongeria wa AZIMIO Raila ODINGA nyombani ya Senate. Raila kinyile bunge na watogeni ni mutongeria wa babanini Stewart Matsayo elekero bisini ya mutongeria wa babanini kulabethire bena loalia na maseneta na nyume ya baadhi canteen kula ijadha mwanja.
I came here, as you know, I'm an old member of the Bunge Cooperative Society, and they invited me that they had a check for me, my dividend. So they also now took opportunity to meet with the members of parliament. My members of the Senate invited me for lunch.
Raila kiali nyume ya ndiongeno nilithite kwina mauntu kathomba maramate kuthiwega kile utingo gibwa bunge mono kile gutigira bunge ni kwilungamira na kuruta ngogi yae bula kubaterie.
There's challenges that the Senate is facing. It appears if the Speaker of the Senate is not allowing the Senate to function the way we know it. You know, there are rulings which were made when I was still a member of parliament here by the previous speakers. For example, parliament cannot be injuncted when it is doing its own business. And political parties are institutions in the parliament which are independent and should be allowed to do their work independently.
Kile ugambi bwa ngwataniro ya AZIMIO ukabere ngwataniro ne yakire saini kwebo bisini whip wa baba nini kire bunge no senetwa Isiolo Fatuma Dulo na gitige kikujukwa ni senetwa Narok Leda Molekina. Raila akialiomde na ulti speaker wa bunge ne Senate Mason King kuthoma walanirie bobo tabula kubatelie na gutiga gutonyera mibango ya ngwataniro ya AZIMIO.
The leadership of political parties should never be interfered with by the Speaker of the Senate. When a political party chooses to change leadership or to whip a member for any reason, it is none of the business of the Speaker to interfere. As AZIMIO la Umoja One Kenya coalition, we decided because of reasons that we gave to change our leadership both in the Senate and also in the National Assembly. This has not been effected up to today because I hear the Speaker is stubborn and is listening or says is respecting a ruling by a tribunal.
Kuma muji munene Nairobi, Mbeta Anthony Rangi Wakadhenya.